In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install the Easy Mod folder here in GTA 5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the Easy Mod folder lets you install mods without touching your original GTA 5 files, which does help prevent crashes and makes it super easy to remove mods if something does go wrong. But essentially what you're going to want to do first is actually open up whatever platform you actually have GTA 5 through. So I have mine through Epic Games, but all the platforms work pretty much the exact same. You just want to go to the little manage section for them and then go specifically into the install location folder. You can also file this kind of same path right here. Just switch Epic Games out with either Rockstar Launcher or Steam, and it's going to be the exact same thing. Once you have this open, go ahead and just drag this off to the side and open up a web browser of your choice, because we are going to have to get a few things. The first thing that we're going to need is scripthook v for GTA 5. So just search up scripthook v GTA 5, go to this top link up at the very top, and then from here just scroll down and you're going to see a download option. Select download. It'll say like, maybe it's not a secure file. Hit keep, and then just go ahead and drag this onto your desktop just for easy access. Once you have that on your desktop, what you're going to want to do is also go ahead and install OpenIV. So search up OpenIV GTA 5, hit enter, and from here I recommend just going to gta5mods.com. Select this, it'll redirect you to a page that looks like this. Hit download, and then hit download again, and you will be good to go. Once again, just drag this onto your desktop. And then from here, just open up a new tab, search up Easy Mod folder GTA 5, open up the top link on gta5mods.com, and then hit download. And then once again, hit download again and drag that onto your desktop. So you should have a few files on here, scripthook v, OpenIV, and of course, Easy Mod folder on here as well. Let's start with scripthook v. What you're going to want to do is just open it up, and inside here, open up bin, and you're going to want to drag a few things in here. You're going to want to drag the scripthook v DLL in here, this little X input 1 DLL, and then of course this D input 8 DLL. Drag those three into your GTA 5 folder, and you can close out of this and then delete the scripthook v folder. From here, just double click on OpenIV setup, hit English, and go through the entire process of installing this. This is pretty simple. Just go through, hit continue, hit yes, hit close, and then it should automatically open. If it doesn't, it's going to be on your desktop. So just look over here and you'll see OpenIV. Go ahead and actually open this up, and it's going to look a little bit strange. Select GTA 5 for Windows, and then from here, hit the browse location, and this is where you're going to get the exact same directory. So go ahead and hit that, and then go into your Windows program files, either Steam, GTA 5, and then once you have that, just hit select and you should be good to go. Hit continue, and then of course, hit continue again. And then from here, go up, and what you're going to want to select is tools, and just make sure that you have ASI Manager and OpenIV ASI installed. If you just select ASI Manager, you'll see both these on here. They should automatically be installed, but if they're not, just hit install right next to them. And then from here, we can actually go ahead and back out of this. And what you're going to want to do is go back to your GTA 5 directory, and this time hit EMF. And then within here, you're going to see a folder for mods specifically. Drag this mods folder directly into GTA 5 directory. Once you drag it in, go ahead and open it up. And once you open it up, open up update and then X64. And then from here, open up DLC packs, and you should see an EMF folder listed. Inside this folder, you'll see categories like vehicles, weapons, pedestrian, shared assets. To install a mod, simply make sure that you put it in the correct folder. And if you don't have those folders, go ahead and create them. Just make sure they're all lowercase. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. The final step is just going to the Rockstar Games launcher, going to settings, and then finding this BattleEye option and disabling it. As soon as you do that, you are good to go. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.